Okay, so we've put the corner pieces in, two drawers and two doors. One of the doors that we are doing though, we are making a soft close German hinge with an 1.25 inch overlay so that I could try to get it as close to try to take up as much of the frame as possible so there's not a lot of frame showing. Um, we did a mock-up with just a piece of this and just kind of show you guys what it is. It's an 1 3/8 bit that the hinge fits into. We're doing it here. Basically, you just use a drill bit. What you do is what I've done is I've centered it 4 inches on both sides and then 1/4 inch in, and that's where the bit will lay. So when I get the area that I want it to be, 4 inches center. One of the biggest things you want to make sure is not to go too far. So just take your time and go in little at a time. As straight as you can get it. When you got it down to about 1/4 inch, you just want to check. Okay, check and see if that fits. See how that wobbles a little bit, so we got to make sure that that's in a little bit more, so we got to drill a little deeper. Okay, and that's perfect. No wobble at all. All right, so now we'll drill those in and we'll put it on the frame. Okay, here's another area where we took old doors off. Left the frame, we're gonna paint this. We're gonna put a edge here so you can grab it. We did the self-close hinges. Hey guys, welcome to Tim the Toolman Home Improvement. One of the things we're doing today is we're actually painting some kitchen cabinet doors. And I wanted to just go over a little quick tutorial. You've probably seen tons of videos on there about what to do, how to do it, do this, do that, do this. Well, part of it is correct, and I won't say the other part's not correct, but there is some tricks and some things that might be a little bit easier to do doors. So we've already sprayed these doors once. And I'll give you an example. I used what they call, let me show you. This is called an HVP sprayer. This one is really good. All right, this is the one that I'm using right now. I used one earlier that was electric and not air compressed. And I'll tell you, it did such a bad job. I returned it and went with this guy here that I know and I've used before, so I felt very comfortable with it. Needless to say, I had to do some sanding and some prepping again to get these doors ready to go for another coat. So these are just flat panel doors, and so what we're doing is we're spraying these with that air sprayer that you saw, but the trick of it is that we're using hangers that I just got at Walmart, $5 for a pack, so $10 there, and some hooks that we're gonna put at the back of, or on the bottom of the door and drawers that you don't see, so you can fill those afterwards. And then once you do that, you hang them, and then once you hang them, it's so much easier to spray them. So I've already sprayed these guys here, and I'm letting these guys dry right now, but being able to do both sides at the same time and letting them dry takes a day away from your gives you back a day of your work, because normally you'd spray one side, put it on a rack, let it dry 3-4 hours. Most of the time we let it dry overnight, but just so that it bakes and gets harder. And then that's Charlie. And then after that we turn it around and do it again. So I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to do this. It doesn't cost a lot of money. You don't have to go and buy some special rigs or anything like that to be able to spray these the right way. So hang tight.